Hello, I'm Johan Kleis and I'm a marketing coach. Are you selling services, courses, ebooks, printables, or physical products and provide regular special timed offers, educational information, or news that is essential in helping you build trust and establish good relationship with people on your mailing list? ConvertKit is a marketing and lead generation solution with opt-in forms, drip email marketing, landing pages, and more. With automated email marketing automation, you can send well-timed and targeted content to your subscribers so they never miss out on your good content. Simple workflows with if this then that style automation rules and a combined drag and drop sequence builder are your tool set to create personalized automated emails to grow your list while scaling your business. The visual automation builder decides on how and when a reader is directed to a new sequence. If you want to watch and read my textual findings, follow the link next to this post to access the complete review free for anyone to watch.